Let me share with you how to make a low-calorie vegetable pancake. This is not just healthy food, it is a truly delicious and crispy meal that feels like a treat but is actually good for you. Start by gathering your vegetables. Take about 150 grams of farm tofu and cut it into small cubes. Then prepare a good handful each of shredded carrot and shredded asparagus lettuce. The beauty of this recipe is that you can add any other vegetables you enjoy. For the seasoning, we will use a simple but powerful combination. To the vegetables, add 1 small teaspoon of salt, 1 full tablespoon of oyster sauce for a rich depth, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for savoriness, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese starting spice powder for a wonderful warm aroma. Using a pair of chopsticks, mix everything together thoroughly. Make sure all the vegetable pieces are evenly coated in that flavorful seasoning. This step is where the magic starts to happen. Here's the most important step for a perfect result. You must firmly squeeze the vegetable mixture with your hands to remove all the extra water. This is the absolute secret to getting a crispy pancake instead of a soft and soggy one. Lay a single large pancake wrapper flat on your surface. Spoon your dry vegetable filling onto one half of the wrapper for an extra boost of protein and flavor. Place 1 pre-cooked fried egg right on top of the vegetables. Gently fold the other half of the pancake wrapper over the filling, just like you are neatly folding a soft blanket. Press down lightly so it holds its shape. This creates a perfect self-contained parcel. Place a non-stick pan over a low heat and lightly spray it with wine. Carefully place your pancake into the pan. Let it cook slowly until the bottom becomes a beautiful golden brown and crisp. Then flip it over to cook the other side. When it is ready, you will have a pancake that is wonderfully golden and crisp on the outside. The sound it makes when you cut into it is so satisfying. You can see the colorful, steaming vegetable filling inside. This pancake is the perfect balance. It is low in calories but incredibly hearty and filling. The crispy texture makes it a joy to eat, and you can feel good about enjoying a meal packed with healthy vegetables and protein. It is genuinely delicious.